In this video, we're going to take a look at the eagerly awaited multicam app by FiLMiC Pro. There are many multicam apps out there, but none like this one. So stay tuned. If you stumbled across this channel or it's your first time here and you like videos like this one and videos on YouTube tips and strategies, then consider subscribing. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit that bell icon and you will get notified as soon as I release new videos. Back in 2019 at the Apple keynote, FiLMiC Pro announced at the event that they would be launching an app that would utilize all 4 cameras in the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, I don't know about you, but I was super excited when I heard this news, and that's why I went out and purchased the iPhone 11 Pro, so that I'd have the ability to use all 4 cameras. To save me going any further, let me dive straight into the app and show you some of the features of this new app by FiLMiC Pro called DoubleTake. Once you open the app and after you've given the app permission to access your camera and microphone, you'll be greeted with this screen. The app records in 1080p at present. Not sure if there's plans to change this. Let me quickly run through what the icons on each of the corners do. Starting at the bottom left, we'll see the lens icon called the camera picker. Tap here and you'll see all 4 cameras on the iPhone 11 Pro. You can select any combination of 2 of the 4 cameras to record. Maybe in the future we'll be able to record all 4 cameras, but for now, let's select 2 cameras to record and then tap confirm. You can select the frame rate from this screen. You can select 24, 25 or 30 frames per second. There's no 60 frames per second at the moment in this app. You'll then see this screen. Camera A will be your main display and then camera B will be the smaller one. This takes me onto the icon on the top right. Here you have 3 modes. Discrete, this will record 2 separate files. You can move around the smaller video from side to side and off the screen. To get the video back on the screen, simply tap on the arrow. If you want to expand, tap here, and if you want to reduce, tap here. The next mode we have is picture in picture. Tap on the top right again to select picture in picture. It looks the same, however, the picture in picture is recorded onto your video. If you want to move the picture in picture around, you can do so, and off the screen. However, all of this is recorded. There may be some use cases for this, like reaction videos, etc. The next one we have on the top right is split screen. Tap here and you'll get split screen. It will record a split screen. There are many cases you could use this, and you'll probably find one. And let me know in the comments below what you feel you might be using this split screen for. I'll be interested to find out. That moves me to the bottom right. Tap the record icon to record, and then tap again to stop. On this app, you have the ability to record horizontal or vertical. Ideal for Instagram stories, Snapchat, and TikToks. The beauty of this app is you can use the focus reticle to focus and then lock the focus. To do this, simply tap the area you want to focus and then tap again to lock. The square icon will turn yellow. Note, if you're using the iPhone 11 Pro, you cannot use the focus reticle on ultra wide. On the top left, you will see the library icon. All your recordings are stored here. Note that these recordings are not stored to your camera roll. To move any of the recordings, simply tap on the check mark on the bottom left. Tap any of the recordings you want to move to your camera roll. You can tap the next button to share, or you can tap the trash icon. You tap that icon to delete them. To play the clips, just tap the clip to play. To exit out of this screen back to the main screen, tap the X on the top left. So you can see it's quite a simple app to use, but can be very effective if you want to get 2 different aspects, either yourself or 2 different cameras at different focal lengths. As I said, it's a simple app to use. Possible update, maybe I'm thinking FiLMiC Pro may add this app with all 4 cameras working to the main app FiLMiC Pro, which is a paid app, worthwhile because some of the features are incredible. For now, this is one of the best multicam apps out there. I've tested a few and I will be reviewing in a future video. So if you don't want to miss that video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you won't miss it. Well, I hope this video was in some way helpful. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. I create videos like this to help you get online with video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you stumbled across this channel or it's your first time here, if you stumbled across this channel, if you stumbled across If you stumble across this